Hi guys, and welcome back to Bite Size Excel. In today's short video, I'm going to take a look at the function EOMONTH. Now this function essentially returns the last day of a month, either in the future or the past. And it's a very simple function to use. Essentially, once you've put in your start of your function, you need a start date, and then you need to specify what month you want to return the last day of. And what you'll do is you'll use a positive number for future dates or a negative number for past dates. So if we look at a few examples of this, I've got today's date in, and if I want to find the last date of this month, we use the function in the following way. It's EOMONTH. We select our start date, which is today's date, and we want it to be the last day of this month. So that's no months from this month. So we put in a 0. And it returns that Sunday the 31st is the last day of this month. If we want to find the last day of next month, we do the exact same thing. And in this case, it's 1 month in the future. So we put in a 1, and it will give us the last day of February. Once again, if we want to do the same thing for last month, we type equals EOMONTH, have our start date. And then, because last month was 1 month in the past, it's -1. And you can use this function for any number of dates, either in the past or the future. So for example, if I wanted to find the last day of this month, but next year, that's 12 months in the future. So we select our start date and then put in 12. And doing the exact same thing, but finding the last day of this month last year, we select our start date, and then because it's last year, it's -12. And you'll see for next year, the last day of January 2022, and for last year, same thing for 2020. Now, one thing to note is that you don't actually need to specify this cell if you're looking for the last day of the current month. If you wanted to update in a dynamic way, you can use your today function, popping that in. And this result will now update each time you open the spreadsheet to the last month of whatever today's date is. You can use this in the same way to find the first day of a month. So say we want the first day of the current month. So we're going to find the last day of last month to start. So that will give me the last day of December, and we want the first day of this month. So we're just going to add 1 onto that. And you'll see that you find that Friday is the first day of the current month. So that's a really quick run through of the basic functionality of EOMONTH. In some later videos, we'll move on to some more complicated examples using this function. But in the meantime, if you have any questions, please do leave me a comment. Remember to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video.